Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Joms. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel.
It's been a while.
Tagal nating di nag-vlog guys kasi wala tayong mga activities. It's so cold here in Canada.
Minus 50.
Minus 50, minus 60. But now it's a good day. It's weekend, Saturday. Wala naman tayong gagawin. Maglalakad-lakad lang. But we're going to have breakfast at Cora. Cora, yun, Cora. Magkakakain guys. So, samahan nyo kami sa aming weekend.
Ganap.
Morning!
Morning.
Brunch time. Cora. So guys, we are back and this time nandito tayo sa Telford Park. We're gonna go for a walk because it's a nice day. What is the temperature please?
+7.
Ano, what?
Let's see.
What's the temperature?
+3.
+3 is the temperature.
This is the nice time to walk.
Nice time to walk. Ba't nag-i-English ka?
Because we have English viewers.
Oh, really? Ikaw lang naman nanonood ng vlog, ha? So, nandito tayo. Nag-frozen na yung lake, guys. Let's take a look. Uy! Mga bibe or coyotes.
Mga bibe. Di ba ng tao yan?
So guys, tapos na tayong maglakad-lakad dito sa park. Lamigo, namumula na yung aking kamay. Wala tayong gloves. Mga gano'n tayo katagal naglakad. Meron dong aeroplane. Ayun o, aeroplane. Tumutulo ang aking sipon. Next natin pupuntahan. Sama kayo. It's only, what time is it? It's only 5 o'clock, no, I think.
3:40.
Oh, 3:44. Mukha na kasing 5. Dumidilim na ulit. So, tingnan nyo kung saan tayo pupunta next, guys. Sama kayo sa amin. See you later. So, guys, welcome to Edmonton. Dito tayo sa Superstore. Mamalengke tayo.
Mamalengke.
For today's video.
Ano lang ang palengke natin?
Mamalengke tayo ng
itlog at mantika.
Yes. And then rice is life. So titingin tayo kung may sale na kanin.
Walang sale. Magigis muna tayo sa tinapay.
Tinapay. Ikaw lang. Magkakanin ako.
Oh.
Let's go shopping, guys. Shopping. Grocery shopping. What tayong strawberry? Yung maliliit sana.
Ito. Alam mo. Or this one maliliit.
Yan, pwede din yan. Or ito. Kahit saan.
Dito lang. Isa po natin. Size.
Size? Mura na yan.
Oo nga, 6.
Dalawa.
7. Dalawa na.
Dalawa.
Dalawa tao.
Hello guys! Nandito na tayo sa bahay and na-put away na natin yung mga pinang-grocery natin. So I'm going to cook supper. Ginataang crab. Lalagyan natin ng hipon. Nagkamali tayo ng bili. Bili natin is yung walang ulo. But that's okay. So, magpe-prepare lang tayo. So we're cooking the cookie. No, we're cooking the crab. Ayan guys, gisa-gisa muna tayo. Ooh, what are you doing? It's dark. So let's gisa first our luya. Ano yun? Bago mo ano? So guys, luto na ang ating crab shrimp ginataan. Kakain na tayo. So guys, kakatapos lang nating mag-church. Nandito tayo ngayon sa may Kmart, Korean grocery store. Kakain tayo ng bibimbap. Hintayin natin si Joel. So guys, second day, weekend. Today is Sunday.
2 days kami na naglalakad. Yee!
Kanina kung nagsimba tayo, 'di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo. And then kumain tayo sa H Mart. Ngayon nandito tayo sa park, naglalakad ulit.
Exercise. And pauwi na rin naman na tayo.
Look at that sunset at the back.
Beautiful.
Ganda, diba? Pauwi na rin tayo, guys. Hi guys! It's late night. Pero naghahabol pa ako ng aking duties and responsibility. Ito yung mga weekend task. Mamalansya ng aking mga uniform for the whole week. So yun ang ginagawa natin. Yun lang. Hi guys, so tapos na tayo mamalansya. It's already past 1 o'clock in the morning and we're about to sleep because may pasok pa tayo mamaya. I hope you enjoy watching our weekend vlog. Thank you very much for watching. Please, I'll see you on our next video. This is Easy John saying God bless you all, be kind and live your life to the fullest. We'll see you. Bye.